Health and Human Services Secretary RFK Jr. speaking in front of Arizona lawmakers today, praising them for their role in making America healthy again, with passing two bills that are now headed to Arizona Governor Katie Hobbs' desk.
What we're doing to our children is criminal. And we have to stop we are now the sickest country in the world.
RFK Jr. commending Arizona lawmakers for passing two bills Tuesday morning. House Bill 2164, which would ban ultra-processed foods in schools, and House Bill 2165, which would require the state to seek a federal waiver banning soda from being purchased using Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program benefits, or SNAP.
If you want to drink a Coke or any kind of other bottled soda, you have an absolute right as an American to do that, and none of these people want to take that away. If you're spending nutritional money that is paid for by the taxpayer to make our kids healthy, and you're buying something unhealthy with it, and that needs to be corrected.
Democrats pushed back on the Republican legislation, holding a press conference of their own, claiming their colleagues across the aisle are food shaming and not focusing on the real issues like advocating for vaccines.
If we are serious about improving public health, we should focus on expanding access to nutritious foods rather than adopting punitive measures that shame and restrict certain groups.
During the Make Arizona Healthy Again press conference, RFK Jr. also responded to one question regarding the current measles outbreak in West Texas.
The growth rate has diminished substantially. I would compare it to what's happening in Europe now, where we've had 640 cases here. They've had 127,000 cases and 37 deaths. And so what we're doing here in the United States is a model for the rest of the world.
The HHS secretary posted on X endorsing the MMR vaccine as the most effective way to prevent the spread. However, when another reporter tried to ask a follow-up question about whether the CDC would do any vaccination efforts on the ground in Texas, he was quickly shut down.
The MMR vaccine is the best way to prevent the spread of measles?
Sir, I'm gonna go ahead and cut you off right there because we're here to talk about what we're doing for these kids. No. Next
CDC.
No, next question.
The two House bills are now on their way to Governor Katie Hobbs' desk. Ben Brown, Arizona Tonight.